Welcome to this lesson where we are going to talk about three things that shape how people interact with your site: buttons and spacing. So let's start with buttons. Buttons are like your call to actions. They tell visitors exactly what to do next, like booking a session, contacting you, or signing up. Let me take you there. So on website, click on styles, and right below colors, you'll find your button section. In Squarespace, you'll see three button styles: primary, secondary, and tertiary. Your primary button should always be the most eye-catching. This is for your main actions, like you book now or get started. Secondary buttons are for less urgent actions like learn more, and tertiary buttons are simple textile links. Now your template already comes with button styles designed to look cohesive with the rest of your site. My recommendation is to keep those as they are so the professional look and feel stays consistent. But if you'd like to make changes, Squarespace gives you options. Let's look at the primary button. You can adjust the shape, select fill or no fill. You can pick from rounded, square, petal, and so on. You can choose to add an outline or not. You can change the padding to make buttons feel more bold or minimal, left and right, top and bottom. And you can even adjust the font used on buttons. The key here is consistency. If you decide to change the style, keep it uniform across your site so everything feels polished and intentional. Now let's talk about spacing. Good spacing makes your sites easy to read and calming to look at. In the page editor, you can adjust the spacing between sections or add spacers as well. To do so, click on Edit Section and adjust the height of your section. As you can see here, for this specific section, the height is set at 18, but you can play with small, medium, or large. And as you can see, there is more or less space depending on your selection. If you want to remove the spacing completely at the top and at the bottom, you can also play with this little icon here. And when editing the section, when I click on the three dots, putting the height at 1 will reduce the spacing completely. In my case, I still have a little bit of space on top, but I can also play with it and move it up and then reduce the spacing completely. Now, this is absolutely not a good practice, and I will go back to my original settings. It is very important not to be afraid of white space. It's what makes your content feel professional, clean, and easy to navigate. White space actually draws attention to your most important content, like headlines and call to actions. And one very important tip: always preview your content on mobile view. While your website was designed to be mobile friendly and everything is looking great on mobile currently, when you start making adjustments to spacing or to your content, it could happen that the mobile version doesn't look as great. And sometimes spacing that looks great on desktop can feel too tight or stretched on the phone. So adjusting mobile ensures your visitors get a smooth experience no matter how they view your site. So to recap, make your primary buttons bold and clear, and give your content breathing room with thoughtful spacing. These details work together to create a website that feels both beautiful and easy to use, and that encourages your visitors to take action.